EMS Consulting Group offers 3 different Lean Six Sigma certifications, including Black Belt, Green Belt, and Yellow Belt. Each of these programs is offered in 2 versions, a manufacturing-oriented version and a healthcare or administrative version. The courses are offered as standalone courses with email support. For an extra fee, one-on-one remote coaching and mentoring is available. Let's talk just a bit about each of these programs. The Lean Six Sigma Black Belt program is the most comprehensive, and it is designed to teach someone to be a true change agent, a facilitator, and a mentor to others, after they have gained enough experience. The Green Belt program is for those who want to lead small to medium-sized projects and be a key contributor to the transformation. While the Yellow Belt is designed for those who want to have a basic knowledge of tools and concepts. Each of these programs has a manufacturing and a healthcare or administrative version. Each of these courses will teach you the Lean Six Sigma implementation model, DMAIC process for problem solving and project management, selected tools from each of the phases, and lean tools and concepts related to flow and pull systems. The Black Belt program is the most comprehensive and includes all of the analytical and qualitative tools and techniques to lead improvement efforts from the strategic level to the nuts and bolts level. You might be wondering how to get started with our e-learning. A great way to get started is to take our free trial. There is no obligation or credit card needed. Just click the link on the top right of your screen or in the description of this video to sign up. Then you can see how our system works for yourself. Our free trial includes a little course content from each of our major programs for you to check out. What about the benefits of e-learning? First, we have flexibility. Instead of requiring training at a particular time of day or for an entire day, participants can go at their own pace and access the system 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Next is cost. E-learning is much less expensive than any form of live training. When supplemented with live training, the total cost is still significantly lower. Finally, convenience. If you have team members in multiple locations, e-learning can make life easier. All of these benefits combined provide more value for you, the client.